everyone! Welcome to this quick tutorial where I'll show you how to use documents in Bridge, your space for writing, formatting and collaborating on text directly inside platform. Inside the Documents section, you will find Content Editor. The editor supports rich text formatting, so you can really shape your content, add headings, bullet points, numbered lists, bold or italic text, quotes, code blocks, and tables. You can add countless pages to any document, making it easy to manage large projects, multi-section guides, or knowledge bases, all in one organized space. Bridge automatically saves your work in real time, so you never lose progress. Your teammates can view or edit the same document instantly, keeping everyone aligned and up to date. If you need to add context, you can mention teammates, agents, tasks, other documents, or databases directly inside text. Now, here is where it gets really powerful. Documents you create in Bridge can become knowledge sources for your AI agents. That means your agents, FAQs, or internal notes can actively help your agents answer questions or automate workflows across your workspace. And that's your quick look at Documents in Bridge, a simple yet powerful tool for writing, collaborating, and building AI-powered knowledge right where your team works.